several things that we appreciate is how consistent we received actionable insights that have deepened our understanding and really our appreciation of both our financial health, the different instruments that we could leverage, and then how does this align every year, towards our goals, towards the progress of our goals. We also greatly value how you've helped us optimize our investments. So this year, this is where we will put your money. Something changes in global economics, and then you advise us, okay, let's transfer to this new financial instrument. So we really value that. I think how you've helped us optimize our investments and savings, particularly those geared towards both our retirement and of course the educational, aspirations that we have for our kids. I think this impacted our lives, no, our families' lives significantly because, for one thing, by connecting all of these different pieces, we've gained peace of mind. Prior to partnering with you, we didn't really have a clear and comprehensive understanding of our financial situation or our financial health, no. But now we now have a clear picture of our financial situation relative to our goals, and we're also confident that the savings that we set aside month on month is being maximized for growth. What I also appreciate is your guidance in terms of the comprehensive insurance and health plans that you've helped us establish for myself and my wife and for the family. And this is very reassuring because it provides an additional layer of security against unforeseen events.